Imagine your body not just as flesh and bone but as a vibrant system of flowing energy. This life force, known as prana or chi, at the heart of this energy map are the chakras, a Sanskrit word that translates to wheel or disc. These are not physical objects you can touch but rather spinning vortices located along your spine. They act as power stations, receiving, assimilating, and expressing life force energy. Each of these 7 major chakras corresponds to specific aspects of your life. Think of the chakra system as a ladder of consciousness, connecting the earth beneath your feet to the heavens above your head. This guide will walk you through each of the 7 major chakras, one by one. The first chakra, known as Muladhara in Sanskrit, is the foundation of your entire energy system, located at the very base of your spine, near the tailbone. This chakra governs your most essential survival instincts and connects you to the physical world. Think of it as the roots of a tree, anchoring you firmly to the earth. The Muladhara chakra relates to your basic needs: food, water, shelter, and financial security. When balanced, you feel grounded, present in your body, and confident. Common signs of a blocked root chakra often revolve around feelings of insecurity and fear. Physically, a blockage can show up as problems in the legs, feet, pelvic area, or immune weakness. To unlock and rebalance your root chakra, reconnect with the earth. Walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. Eat grounding foods like root vegetables, carrots, potatoes, beets, and protein-rich beans and nuts. Earthy scents like cedarwood, patchouli, and vetiver can support stability. Use affirmations: I am safe, I am grounded. Practice mountain pose and warrior variations to build foundation. Small, consistent grounding rituals restore your sense of safety and stability. Moving up from the foundation, we arrive at the second chakra, Svadhisthana, which means one's own abode or sweetness. This vibrant energy center is located in your lower abdomen, about 2 inches below your navel. It's the home of your emotions, creativity, sensuality, and pleasure. Svadhisthana governs the element of water. Its energy is about flow and movement. When balanced, you feel emotionally expressive and creatively inspired. When the sacral chakra is blocked, life can feel dammed up: creative blocks, lack of passion, or emotional numbness. Physically, this may show as reproductive issues, lower back pain, or urinary problems. Invite more flow. Dance, paint, write, cook. Creative expression restores movement. Spend time near water. Baths, swimming, or ocean walks can be healing. Nourish with hydrating fruits: oranges, mangoes, melons, plus nuts and seeds. Scent support: ylang ylang, sandalwood, or orange essential oils. Affirmations: I honor my feelings. I embrace pleasure and abundance. My creativity flows freely. Yoga, bound angle, pigeon, cat-cow, to release stored tension. Gently coax this chakra back into its natural state of graceful, joyful flow. Ascending to the third energy center, we find Manipura, located in your solar plexus, above your navel and below your rib cage. This chakra is the core of your personal power, self-esteem, and willpower. Associated with fire and the color yellow, the radiant sun within you. When balanced, you feel confident, purposeful, and in control. When blocked, you may experience low self-esteem, indecision, or digestive issues. Physically, this can show as indigestion, ulcers, or liver and pancreas issues. An overactive third chakra can lead to controlling behavior, aggression, or workaholism. To reignite Manipura, step out of your comfort zone, try a new skill, or complete a challenging project. Get vigorous exercise that builds heat like running or a dynamic fitness class. Nourish with yellow foods: bananas, corn, lemons. Eat oats or brown rice for steady energy. Use lemon, ginger, or peppermint essential oils to energize and purify this center. Repeat: I am strong and capable. I honor the power within me. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. Practice core building poses: boat, plank, revolve, side angle. With consistent practice, transform insecurity into a radiant sun of confidence and purpose. At the center of the chakra system lies the fourth chakra, Anahata. Located in the center of your chest, it's the bridge between lower physical and upper spiritual chakras. Anahata is the hub of love, compassion, forgiveness, and connection. Its element is air and its color is vibrant green. Nature deeply heals this center. When open, you experience deep empathy, peace, and a sense of connection to all living things. When blocked, you may feel isolated, unable to trust, or hold on to resentment. Physically, it may relate to heart problems, asthma, or circulation issues. An overactive heart chakra can create codependency or a lack of healthy boundaries. Practice kindness, random acts without expectation, community service, and open-hearted listening. Spend time in nature surrounded by green to heal and open this center. Nourish with green foods: spinach, kale, broccoli, and green tea. Floral scents like rose, jasmine, and geranium support heart opening. Affirm, I am open to giving and receiving love. I forgive myself and others. Do heart-opening poses, cobra, upward-facing dog, camel to create chest space. With nurturing practice, your heart can soften, heal, and expand into greater compassion. The fifth chakra, Vishuddha, is located in the center of your throat. It's the gateway of purification, communication, and self-expression. It governs your ability to speak your truth clearly and to listen with compassion. Associated with blue and the element of space, it expresses the love from your heart and ideas from your mind. A blocked throat chakra can silence you, shyness, fear to speak up, or hidden feelings. An overactive throat chakra shows as gossiping, interrupting, or speaking without thinking. Physically, you may notice sore throat, thyroid problems, neck stiffness, or jaw issues. Soothing herbal teas with honey and lemon and tree fruits like apples and plums support this center. Practice authentic expression. Sing, chant, hum, and journal to free your voice. Practice active listening. Give others space to speak and model honest communication. Clarity scents. Eucalyptus and peppermint can help clear the throat space. Affirm, I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. I listen with an open heart. Yoga, shoulder stand, plow, and fish pose create space in the neck and throat. Even gentle neck stretches release tension and invite clearer expression. With practice, your authentic voice will arise, honest, clear, and respectfully heard. Between your eyebrows lies the sixth chakra, Ajna, commonly called the third eye. It's the seat of intuition, imagination, and inner wisdom. Ajna governs inner vision, your ability to see beyond the physical and make sound judgments. When open, you trust your intuition, visualize goals, and see the bigger picture. When blocked, perception becomes clouded. Indecision, stuckness, lack of imagination. You might notice headaches, vision problems, or sinus issues. Meditation focusing on the brow point is one of the most direct ways to access Ajna. Dream journaling upon waking strengthens connection to your subconscious. Eat dark blue and purple foods, blueberries, blackberries, eggplant, for antioxidant support. Clarifying scents, frankincense, sandalwood, and clary sage support meditation and clarity. Affirm, I trust my intuition, I see all things with clarity. Practices, child's pose with forehead on the mat, tree pose for balance and focus. Quiet practices restore inner vision so you can navigate life with greater wisdom. Dedicate consistent time to these practices to strengthen your connection to inner guidance. At the very top of your head resides the seventh chakra, Sahasrara. It's called the thousand-petaled lotus, the crown chakra, your link to universal consciousness. Associated with violet or brilliant white light, it represents unity, enlightenment, and oneness. When open, you feel inner peace, pure awareness, and a sense of being part of something larger. When blocked, you may feel disconnected, cynical, or without meaning. An overactive crown can leave you ungrounded and detached from daily life. Balancing Sahasrara is less about doing and more about being. Stillness, silence, and meditation. Spend time in quiet spaces away from distraction to allow your consciousness to expand. Sacred scents like frankincense, lotus, and lavender elevate consciousness. Spiritual nourishment, fasting, light detoxes, or cleansing rituals can clarify mind and body. Use affirmations. I am one with the universe. I am open to divine wisdom. Practice Savasana for surrender. Advanced students may use headstand to direct energy upward. Embracing these practices nurtures a lasting connection to the spiritual dimensions of your being. While working with individual chakras is powerful, maintaining overall balance is essential. Think of your chakras as an orchestra. Each instrument must be in tune to create harmony. A regular meditation practice is one of the most effective ways to harmonize energy. Visualize a stream of healing light moving up your spine through each chakra color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Sound healing aligns multiple chakras: crystal bowls, Tibetan bowls, gongs, and tuning forks. You can chant the seed sounds: lam, root, vam, sacral, ram, solar, yam, heart, ham, throat, crown. Professional energy healing like Reiki, pranic healing, or skilled hands-on therapy can reset your system. A skilled practitioner can sense which chakras need attention and channel life force where it's needed. Consistency is the key. Small daily rituals maintain chakra hygiene. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing, a short nature walk, or journaling gratitude helps. Try a short daily sequence. Sit quietly and chant lam, vam, ram, yam, ham, breathing between each. Add gentle full-body stretches or a brief yoga flow to keep energy moving. Sound tools like singing bowls, gongs, and tuning forks are accessible ways to recalibrate your system. You can attend a guided sound bath or listen to recorded sound sessions at home. Regularly check in, note sensations, emotions, and recurring physical issues linked to chakras. A simple, breath-based scan from root to crown helps reveal where attention is needed. Micro-practices, tea, a short walk, gratitude, a stretch, compound over time into meaningful transformation. Just as you care for your body daily, care for your energy daily. Use visualization, sound, movement, scent, and nourishment together for a balanced practice. Seek help if you feel deeply stuck. A session can catalyze your healing. Remember, consistency and gentle curiosity are the companions of true transformation. Small daily practices let your truest, most radiant self shine through. Take a moment now. Breathe deeply. Visualize a light moving from your root to crown and feel each center awaken. With patience and steady practice, the chakras return to flow, opening the path to health, joy, and purpose.